Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I want to share a tutorial on adding followers on Instagram and adding like on Instagram. First, you download the application Neutrino. Link for download please check in description. Secondly, after install open the Neutrino application and enter Instagram account and you can follow step by step in this video. You can get like and followers by collecting diamonds. If you've collected a lot of diamonds, you click on the photos you want to add like. You can also add followers. Thank you for watching and good luck.